Hello everybody, this is Naushad sir. Now, today we are going to start with our syllabus of 9th standard, which is having first topic sets. Dear students, today in this topic we know the different types of things which can be count in some amount, and the same counting of the things is also called as a set. Now dear students, there are different examples are shown here in our video. Now first example is chairs, number of chairs. My chairs. Now chairs, if they are in any quantity, we can call as a set of chairs. Now similarly we can say that notebooks, set of notebooks. Brilliant students in class. Now among the class we can find out the brilliant students in the class, and also we can make the set of the brilliant students. The numbers which are given here in the box, we can say that numbers set. And happy peoples in my town, we can make through the survey, and we can make the set of the happy peoples in our town. Now dear students, we have to go through about the actual definition of the set. Now this is the actual definition of the set. Definition of the set: a well defined collection of object is called as a set. Well defined collection of object is called as a set. For example, in this set we can define this is the set of chair, and this is the set of brilliant student, this is the set of happy peoples in town. Now all students have to go through this definition. In examination, the definition of set should be asked. A well defined collection of object is called as a set. Now which things are included in the sets? Now we can see that individual object in the set is called as an element or a number of a member of its set. Member, or instead of member we can use the word element of that set. Now sign convention of representing the set, it can be sets are represented by curly brackets. They are shown like this, curly brackets. Now some signs are included in this topic. This sign is look like English alphabet E, but it is slightly curved. It is called as a belongs to. This thing belongs to, and one line on it, it is called as a does not belongs to. Now we can move ahead to the different methods of writing the sets. Now dear students, we can write the sets in two methods. There are two methods are given: listing method, and another name of that is called as a roster form. Second method is called as a rule method, or it is also called as a set builder form. Now first example of this topic is given here, that is listing method. It is given in the listing method, we have to write in a rule method form. Now listing method, set A is given and it is written 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 and so on. Now this set we have to write in rule method. We can write like this: A is equal to set, sign of set is what, curly bracket, X. We have to assume that X, this line indicates such that, we can read as a such that X is such that X is an even natural number even natural number less than 15, less than 50, curly bracket close. Now this method shows listing method, and this method is called as a rule method. In listing method, each and every element we have to write inside the set, but in rule method we have to assume such restriction, and how much the elements are, how many elements are given in the listing method, we have to just identify, and we have to make this type of sentence. Now we will see in next example. B, set B in listing method is given like this: 4, 9 and 16. Now we have to write this listing method set in rule method. Now in examination there should be the question on it, that just you have to write in listing method, or if rule method is given you have to convert it into listing method. Now set B is given 4, 9 and 6. Dear student, we are seeing that 4, 9 and 16 are the perfect square. So we can write x is such that x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Now all students have to pay attention here. This 4 is a square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4. So we can say that x is such that x is the perfect square number between 1 to 20. Now third example is given here. C, set C includes A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. Now all students, we all know that these are the vowels of English alphabets. Now we have to convert it into rule method. Now we can write C is equal to curly bracket y. This line indicates such that y is such that y is a vowel, y is a vowel in English alphabets, in English alphabets. So fourth example, set D indicates V, comma, I, comma, B, comma, G, comma, Y, comma, O, comma, R. Now dear students, we all know that these are the colors of rainbow. So we can use the word anything Y. Y is such that Y is a color in the rainbow, a color in the rainbow. A rainbow includes 7 colors. Now dear students, we have to see another thing, that is denotions of the set by alphabet. First set we can denote by A. Question A. Now in denotion, capital N represent the set of natural numbers. Capital N indicate the set of natural numbers. They start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now we are seeing here W is written. That W means set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 and so on. Now dear student, we are seeing here this is the I. I means the set of integers. Capital I indicate the set of integers. Integers, you know that 0, to the right side of 0 there are positive numbers, and to the left side of the 0 there should be the negative numbers. Now capital Q indicates the set of rational numbers. Now keep in your mind, all integers are come into the rational numbers. Now the elements which are present in the integer set, they can also present in the rational number set. Now keep in your mind, capital N shows the set of natural numbers, W shows the set of whole numbers, I show the set of integer, Q show the set of rational numbers. Now we can see the examples of first exercise 1.1 practice set 1.1. Now questions are given, just we have to write the answers. Now questions are given, practice set 1.1. Question number 1, write the following set in roster form. Now roster form is also known as a listing method. Now dear students, we have to understand which form is given, which question is given. Write the following sets in roster form, that means listing method. We have to write set of even natural numbers. Now set of even natural numbers, we can write the answer, we can take A. A is the set of natural number, and number should be even, is equal to this curly bracket, set of even natural numbers. Even natural numbers start from 2, 4, 6, 8, dash dash dash, bracket close, curly bracket close. This dash 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 indicate the numbers which are coming after 8, the even numbers, and so on. So we can represent this information in this form. This is called the roster method or listing method. Now second example is what, set of even prime number. Now dear students, keep in your mind, set of even prime number, there is only one even prime number, that is 2, which is prime number from the even numbers. So we can write only B is equal to, in curly bracket, 2 only. Now set of negative integers. Negative integers we have to write, so we can write set, indicate the set by I. Now I in set, we can show the negative integers -1, -2, -3, and so on. Now like this we have to show the examples. Now another example is shown here, that is set of 7 basic sounds of sargam, or in other word we can call it as a sur. Now we have to write it in the listing or roster form. We can write that S is equal to any letter. S means representation of set. S is the set of sur or sargam basic sounds. Now we know that basic sounds are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now each and every student have to practice this. In next video we'll continue with the exercise 1.1 question number 2.